COVID has been one of the biggest events anyone has experienced in their lives, but it's an experience that is bringing some communities together. Chrissy Van Hove and Lily Ellingson are making homemade masks for places that need them the most.
I am Chrissy Van Hove.
I'm Lily Ellingson.
Well, I work at a dental office, and we were already experiencing a shortage of masks, and then we were shut down due to COVID. And I think it was the next day my boss had sent me the text and the pattern that they were asking people at home that had the ability to sew and make masks if they could make them for the hospitals, because there was such a shortage, and nurses and doctors were being asked to use one mask a day, and masks are actually only good for an hour at a time, and then they are saturated with the moisture from your breathing, and they really aren't protecting you anymore. So it's just really important that our healthcare workers, the people on the front lines, have these masks to protect them, because we're fortunate enough to be able to stay home during this time, but everyone doesn't have that luxury. So we just thought we'd help out where we can.
Probably on a good day when we work quite a while, we probably get 30 masks done. Probably the lower end is probably 15. We try to make as many masks as we can.
It varies from day to day. Sometimes we're really in a groove and we can sit down and knock out 30 in a day, and then some days my back's killing me or my sewing machine acts up and we call it quits, and then come back to it when we're level-headed again. So we've probably made as little as 5 and then as many as 30 in a day, so it just depends. Boss sent me a text saying that hospitals were asking people that knew how to sew to make masks, and I think it was Mercy One had released this pattern that they had devised themselves, I believe, and that's where I found it and set to work on making them.
I wanted to help make the mask because my friends' parents and I know other people too that work at hospitals, and they just need them right now. A lot of people and places are out of them. I just want to help the community. Also, I'm home from college, so I really don't have anything else to do.
Personally, I'm not charging anything. The hospital ones I just donate. My sister works at a wound clinic. I just donated those. We have friends that needed them. My in-laws, we just donated those. We had a big company need a lot of them, and they just dropped off the supplies, and then we sewed them. So I know some people are charging 5, 10, 15. I don't know what the going rate is, but we're just making them and handing them out.
Charity and helping others is what we need during COVID to help each other out. Thank you, Chrissy and Lily.